Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about the standard 12 statistics chapter number 2 linear correlation. In this chapter we had already studied about the Carl Pearson product moment method. The first two sums we had already studied, which is related to formula 1 and formula 2. Okay. Now today we are going to study about the formula 3 for the Carl Pearson, that is UV formula. And this formula sum is exercise 2.2 question number 7, which is related to third formula for the Carl Pearson. Okay. So here in the question already two columns had been given. The first column is age X, okay, and the second column is blood pressure Y is given, that is known as Y. So our first two step is, after writing these two column, we will first of all add both the column. So here I had already add the age X and our answer is summation X, that is 464. Okay, and the second column is blood pressure, that is Y, and our addition answer is summation Y 1153. Now before calculating this both column, now we have to decide which formula we have to put, formula number 1, 2 or 3. So that can be decided after finding X bar and Y bar. Okay, so let us first find X bar and Y bar, so we will understand which formula have to be put. So here I had find X bar, the summation X upon N. Okay, summation X answer is 464 upon N is small n, that is our number of item, that means total 8 item has been given. So after dividing 464 divided by 8, our answer will be 58. Let us find the Y bar, summation Y upon N. Our summation Y answer, that is second column, this summation Y equals to 1153 divided by total number of items. So it is 8. So when we divide these both two number, our answer will be 144.125. Now let us observe the number. One number comes in positive, another number comes in decimal, and in decimal number it is more than 100, means it is a very big number. So we cannot find by first two formula. This is because the multiplication will become so large. So whenever the X bar and Y bars comes in large number, that is above 100, or one comes in decimal or another comes in positive, so at that time you have to use the third formula for the Carl Pearson, that is UV method. Okay, in this method the number will become smaller for calculation. Now as you see that in the formula U and V is there, so first of all we have to assume U and V from X bar and Y bar. So from X bar we will get U and from Y bar we will get V. Now here our X bar is 58. Okay, so we have to make a round off. See, in our X column 58 number is there. So you can assume either 58, 60, 65, nearest number round off you have to take, so that the easy subtraction can be done. So here I had already made a U, that is 58 only. Let us move to the V. Our Y bar is 144.125. So here I had made our round off is 150. Okay, see in the Y column 150 is there. Okay, so I had taken V equals to 150. So in this way we will assume U and V from X bar and Y bar. After assuming U and V, first column, third column you have to make, that is U column. Okay, Now the formula for u is x minus u. Okay, x is our 58 and you had assumed 58 only. Okay, so x minus u, our answer will be 0. Okay, again x minus 58, so 55 minus 58, our answer will be negative 3. Okay, minus 3. 65 minus 58, our u is 58, so our answer will be 7. Okay, so in this way we will find the column u. Okay, and now we have to add this column. So how we will add? So first of all you have to add the positive number. See, here our positive number is 7, 10 and 4. Okay, so here I am adding 7, 10 and 4. So our answer is 21. So here we are writing plus 21. Okay, now we are adding minus number 3 plus 6 plus minus 10 plus n plus 2. Okay, so we had added negative number, that is minus 3, minus 6, minus 10 and minus 2. So our answer will be negative 21. And as you know that plus minus minus, our answer will be 0. Okay, so here we had calculated the summation u. Now the next step, that is 6 number column, now we will prepare the v. Okay, we had assumed in our sum, that is 150. See here, so the formula for v is y minus v. Okay, y is 130 and v is 150. Okay, so 130 minus 150, our answer will be minus 20. Again 150 minus 150, our answer will be 0. 150 minus 150, again our answer will be 0. 130 minus 150, our answer will be minus 20. So in this way we had find the column v. Okay, now in the same way we have to calculate the column v. So first of all we will add the positive number. So here the positive number is 8 and 5. So 8 plus 5, our answer will be plus 13. Okay, now we will add the negative number, that is 20 plus again 20 plus 10 plus again 10. So our answer will be minus 60. Now you know that plus minus will be minus and bigger sign we will put. Okay, so from 60, 13 will go, so our answer will be negative 47. So this is our summation v and this is our summation u. Okay, now after preparing the u and v column, we will prepare the u square. See, our u column is this, so we have to take out the square of 0. So 0 square will be 0, minus 3 square will be positive 9. Okay, as you know that whenever we take out the negative square, answer will become positive. So remember that 7 square will be 49, 6 square will be 36. In this way we had prepared the column u square, and after preparing the u square you have to add the column. Our answer will be summation u square will be 314. Now after 8 column we will prepare v square column. So v square you will get from v column. So minus 20 square will be 400. Again the negative number square will always comes in positive. 0 square will be 0. Again 0 square will be 0. Minus 20 square will be 400. So in this way we had made v square column, and our answer after calculating is 1089. Now the last column, that is uv. So our uv, we have to multiply the column u and v. 0 multiplied by minus 20, our answer will be 0. minus 3 multiplied by 0, 0, 7 multiplied by 0, our answer 0. Again, multiplication, minus 6 multiplied by minus 20. First of all, we have to do multiply. 20 multiplied by 6, our answer is 120. Minus minus plus, so answer will comes in positive, remember that. Again, uv multiply. 10 multiplied by 10, our answer will be 100. And minus minus, our answer will come in positive. So in this way we had calculate the last column, that is uv. Okay, and our after adding this column, our summation uv will be 340. So after calculating all this column, we will put the formula, that is, here I had already written the third formula for Karl Pearson. So let us put the digit in the formula. R is equal to, n is our 8, summation uv is 340. So here I had multiply by 340 minus summation u. See, the summation u answer is 0. So here I had put it the 0. Summation v is, here the summation v is minus 47. So here in formula I had put it minus 47. Multiply is there between u and v. In denominator, under root, n is our 8, summation u square. See, our summation u square is 314. See here, the summation u square is 314. So here the summation u square is 314 minus summation u whole square. Summation u, so we have to take the summation u. See here, the summation u is here. So here we had taken the u and putting a square under root. In the same way, multiply. Again under root, n is our 8, summation v square. See here, the summation v square is 1089. So here we had put it 1089. In formula minus is there. And summation v whole square. So we have to see here, the summation v is minus 47. Okay. So here minus 47 whole square. So after putting all the digit in the formula, let us move for the calculation. So now we will multiply 8 multiplied by 340. So our answer will be 2720 minus 0 multiplied by any number, as you know that it becomes 0. So here 8 multiplied by 340 will be 2720. Now in denominator, 8 multiplied by 314, our answer will be 2512 and under root. Okay. Now you know that the square of 0 will become 0. That means it will not come. So the same 8 multiplied by 314, our answer is under root 2512. Now move for the year. 8 multiplied by 1089, our answer will be 8712. Minus 47 square we have to take out. So negative will become positive. So our answer will be 2209 and under root. Next step, r is equal to 2720 upon this number we will write as it is, because here the subtraction is pending. Okay, so when we minus 8712 from 2209, we will get 6503 under root. Okay, let us move to the further step. Again we will write 2720 over here and we will multiply this both the root. So we will get the answer like this. Okay, after this step, again 2720 will be written like this, and we have to take out the square root of this number, that is 16335536. So we will get the answer 4041.72. And when you divide this both the number, you will get the answer r equals to 0.67. So hence the correlation between the age and blood pressure obtained is 0.67. 7. So in this way we will do the sum. So again I am repeating the sum. The first two column had already given. First of all you have to find the x bar and y bar. After finding x bar and y bar, first of all you have to decide u and v as per explanation in this video. After assuming u and v, you have to prepare the column u and v. You will get the formula for u is x minus u and v is y minus v. Okay. Then u square, v square and uv. And after finding all this column, you have to put formula. So in this way, we had completed our third formula, that is Karl Pearson third formula, that is UV. 90% in the exam, this formula question has been asked in the board. Okay, so do perfectly. And this question has been asked in 5 marks in board exam. So hope you understand very well. So please subscribe our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition on YouTube and also share to others. Thank you so much.